There is something interesting happening along this corridor, and I want to take you on a short journey so that you can see it for yourself. I'm right here at the Epe Food and Logistics Hub in Ketu-Epe, Lagos. And from this point, we're going to follow the road all the way towards Omu-Ijebu in Ogun State. Now, if you've been around this part of Epe, you would probably know this road. But what caught my attention recently is how different this entire corridor looks when you look at it from above. As you move along the Ketu-Omu Road, look around. You can see estates, residential development, and new communities taking shape along the corridor. And this is the part of real estate that I find particularly interesting, because sometimes before a location becomes the place everyone is talking about, there are already signs telling you that something is changing. Improved roads, new development, economic activities, people moving in, and gradually real estate begins to follow. And there is more. Around this wider Ketu-Epe corridor, we have facilities such as the Ketu-Epe General Hospital, the police station, the government college, and the Grace Polytechnic. And of course, right where we started this journey, you have the Epe Food and Logistics Hub. So when you put all these things together, you begin to understand why this corridor is one that I believe deserves attention. Not because every piece of land here is automatically a good investment, but because when you're looking for real estate opportunities, you need to learn to recognize the signs of a location that is developing. And now, let's continue. Because this road doesn't just stop here. We are moving towards Omu-Ijebu on the Ogun State side. And as we get closer, you can begin to see another side of this corridor opening up. This is where Lagos meets Ogun. And this is where I want you to pay a little more attention. Because along this Omu-Ijebu axis, there are already real estate opportunities beginning to emerge. And right here is one of the junctions I want to bring to you. Take a look. This is the entrance leading to Asiwaju Green Villa. I'm going to stop the journey here for now, because I don't want to tell you about this estate. I want you to see it. In my next video, I will take the drone from this exact junction straight into Asiwaju Green Villa Estate. And I'll show you the estate, the surrounding community, where it sits within this corridor. And I'll also tell you what you need to know about the documentation and the current investment opportunity. So if you have been watching this journey from Ketu-Epe through Omu and into Omu-Ijebu, don't go anywhere, because the next part of this journey takes you inside Asiwaju Green Villa.